Hi, today I'd like to introduce a new material for my Hsin-Chuen tool. I've been working on for a while, and now I have finally get into production for this kind of tool. The very first batch I only have 30 sets available, and this is the tool. It's evolved from my original stainless steel. It's different material. This material is made out of tungsten carbide, and it's very hard material. And this is my original ones. So it's based on the same shape, but with the different material for the blade. This blade here. And it was braced with the same stainless steel handle, and then braced together. So the tip, the blade is very hard. Actually, it's the almost second hardest material. A little bit softer than diamond, but it's very hard. On the Mohs scale, it's around 9. So it can maintain the edge much longer. Maybe for months you don't need to resharpen your tool. So this is the new tools, and also I designed the silicone handle, so it's a little bit thicker and easier to hold it on, to grab it on the hands. So this is a tool, and I like to do a little demo on this tool, so you know it can cut through very hard material. Okay. Now let me do a demo. This is a chuck. The chuck has been misfired, and I will use the tool to do the demo. So this is the carbide tool, and I'm going to cut through. Okay, trim the piece chuck. Let me center first, and use the clay to hold it on. Okay, of course, this is bisque. It's even harder than the bone dry material, so it's harder. And I'm going to use the carbide tool to cut it. And I don't know if you can see that the powder is coming off. See, that is lots of powder on top of the wheel head. See the powder coming? And then after that, the edge is still quite hard, quite sharp. Maintains the hardness. The edge is still very sharp. Right, and then I will use the same tool after I cut it. I use the same tool to trim my clay. Okay, so that's the demo for trimming through the bisque chuck. Okay, the bisque chuck. You can hear the sound. Okay, this chuck has been bisque. Right, let me bring my clay. So the same tool. Still shaving like cutting a butter after I run through the base wire. Okay, so just to do the demo to show you the carbide blade is very hard, and it can hold the edge for quite a long time. And what if you want to resharpen it? This tool still make it very easy to resharpen it. I've been showing you using the diamond file to file it. So let me bring the diamond file and to show you how to resharpen it. The good thing for this design is that the edge, the blade is very hard, and it breaks on the stainless steel, so it doesn't get rust, and it's easy to clean. Just soak it in water and the sponge to wipe it off. Okay. And it's also very easy to resharpen it because the area is all open. So if in case, okay, you need to resharpen it, you don't need to do it very often. Not like my stainless steel. Stainless steel is on most scale is around 5.526. So this is almost twice the hardness than the stainless steel. So if you want to resharpen it, just get a piece of wood and brace it up. So you handle your diamond. This is made out of diamond. So diamond is harder than the tungsten carbide. So I'm going to use the diamond file to sharpen it. So raise it up so the handle doesn't hit the table here. And if you like, you can add a little bit of water, some water here. And then just apply pressure and just sharpen on the inner part here. And since all the edges has been beveled, so you only need, all you need to do is just remove a little bit of the carbide, okay? The carbide is from tungsten carbide is from powder. They use the pressure to bond them together, and so when you are sharpening, you can see that there's a black powder coming off from the surface. Okay, you see that, the black powder, meaning that you already remove a little bit of the carbide, and the edge will be very sharp again. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, and it's very easy to resharpen it. Okay, so that's the how you resharpen it. You can wash it in the water. It's easy to wash it off. And the only drawback for the carbide is that the carbide is very brittle. So everything that you have advantage, then sometimes it's not always perfect. So if you drop on the floor, very hard floor, it's brittle, so it's like ceramics, so it's gonna be break. It's gonna be broken. So just be careful with it. Don't drop it. Okay, don't drop it. You drop it, it's gone. But if you don't drop it, I guarantee you will last one piece of this trimming tool, it will last you for at least 20-30 years, maybe a lifetime, okay, depending on how you use it, right? So that's the carbide tips, carbide blades. It's very good, a little bit more expensive, but I think worth the price. Okay.